Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Wantage Elementary School in Wantage, New Jersey, home of the Eagles. This is my first visit to their campus. It was a beautiful morning and now early afternoon. Got to share my heart with grades 3 through 5. Some of the pre-K students were in attendance as well. And the focus for today's programs was all about bullying. The sub-theme was to look at the heart first, right? We know that our heart is as big as our fist. If we can let love, peace, compassion, kindness fully enter into here, we can turn this into this, right? Peace sign. Where one finger is yourself, the other is someone that you're trying to lift up higher than yourself, but how you choose to treat that person, hopefully with love. But it's also two, because in just 2 seconds, one breath, one heartbeat, one word, one action, 2 seconds. We can do or say something so kind that it stays on someone's heart in a positive way forever. Or conversely, we can say something so negative and mean that it stays on someone's heart in a very destructive way, potentially forever too. And so we always have this choice, right? That no matter what happens to us, what we've been through, are going through, will go through, we can always rise above any hate that's shown towards us, the pain that we experience, and still decide to focus on love. And one of the biggest reasons that I see why bullying happens, what we talked about today in both sessions, is that hurt people, right? But it's also true that healed people heal people. So if we can let that kindness fully enter our heart, then we have this opportunity to go and affect other lives around us, right? Have that positive impact each and every day, each and every moment. It's easier said than done, because naturally if somebody hurts us, we want to hurt them right back, but that's not the right thing to do. The right thing to do is to still forgive, right? And still choose compassion, still choose kindness. And for bullying in general, it's a repeated action, right? Something over and over again to gain power over somebody that you do on purpose. But the things that aren't bullying, just those one-time actions or words, can still leave the same mark. But when we start to be a little bit more conscious about how we treat ourselves and others, then we move into this new space of a more welcoming atmosphere, right? And the students really got that. There was a lot of pin drop moments through the picture slides that I showed that reinforced the heartfelt stories about students their age being the change. The physical props, the visual aids, the positive music, the inspirational videos, all of that intertwined is how I was trying to impress upon their hearts this need for kindness, right? This world needs a lot more of it. And for the students that did come and share their heart with me afterwards, there was a pretty long line. That something really hit home. And I always say, if I can touch your heart in under an hour, right? Think about the difference you can make throughout an entire school year or lifetime, right? If you keep your hearts open to that love. So again, just another beautiful visit here to a school in New Jersey. Love coming here on the East Coast to, speak truth, to speak life, to really try to have the people that I interact with kind of stop, think, and understand that even at a young age, they have the power to make a huge difference in this world, to make it, to make it a much brighter and better place. So thanks, touched my heart. It was great to see you all. Have a great rest of the school year. Hope to see you again soon. Until then, though, and as always, feel free to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation, and feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.